Now the most important chapter. Next, everyone, write down World Agriculture Pattern. World Agriculture Pattern. World Agriculture Pattern, and it is very important in human economic geography. And it is very important in human economic geography. Okay, everyone. So this is very important chapter. World Agriculture Pattern. What? World Agriculture Pattern, and it is very important in human economic geography chapter. Was it clear, everyone? Now, first listen. World Agriculture Pattern. Now we have to know what is agriculture. What is agriculture? Is it clear, everyone? So always remember that if it question what is agriculture, okay, what is agriculture, then you will say agriculture is a primary sector work. Agriculture is a primary sector work. Okay, everyone. Always remember the world agriculture pattern, very important in human geography or human economic geography, because it makes affluence in the human life as well as the economic activity. Listen, now what is agriculture? So then you will say agriculture is a primary sector work. What is primary sector work? And what does primary sector means? Primary sector means such resources. Okay, everyone. What does primary sector mean? Such resources which are directly based on nature. Is it clear, everyone? So always remember that what is agriculture? Agriculture is a primary sector function. And what is primary sector function? Primary sector function means such resources which are directly based on the nature. Okay, everyone. Yani which activity is related to the nature? If the nature gives you directly something, that it is considered under the primary sector work. And the question, what is resource here? Okay, everyone. Now question is that what is resources? So always remember, if the question is that what is resources, so which fulfill the needs. Okay, everyone. Such items which fulfill the needs. Is it clear? Such item which fulfill the needs of human is called resources. Is it clear, everyone? So always remember that agriculture is a primary sector work. Okay, and primary sector means such resources which are directly based on the nature. Is it clear? Now we have to know what are the resources, what are the functions which are directly based on the nature. Is it clear? Look, now listen. First you do the agriculture. Agriculture means you do the cropping, you do the cultivation. If you are doing the cultivation, if you are doing the agriculture, it means it is direct based on the nature. It is not being done in any factory or whatever else. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now first is cropping and second is mining. Second, what? Mining. Is it clear? Because mining is also based on the nature. First the cropping, then mining, then animal husbandry. Is it clear, everyone? If you are doing the animal husbandry, it is also a primary sector function. So always remember cropping, mining, animal husbandry, then fishing. If you are doing fishing, it means fishing is also based direct on the nature. Is it clear? So fishing is also considered in primary sector function, not even only agriculture. Is it clear? Not even only agriculture is called, this is the primary sector function. Actually the mining, animal husbandry and fishing also. Is it clear? Now one more thing, and what is this? This is called forestation. Is it clear, everyone? So always remember cropping, mining, animal husbandry, fishing and forestation all are considered in primary sector work. All are considered in primary sector work. Is it clear, everyone? All are considered in primary sector work. Now we have to know what is the world agriculture pattern. World agriculture pattern. But first you have to know something about that. When we are in Stone Age, in Stone Age we are like a beast, we are like a wild. Wild means there is no any manner of living, there is no any manner of economic activity. Is it clear, everyone? Now tell me, actually we are right now, we are not beast. Right now we are the civilized human. Okay, now right now we are the civilized. Civilized means we are Homo sapiens. Civilized means we are Homo sapiens. Now tell me, do you know what the main function, what is the main function which converts a wild in civilized? Which is the main, what is the main function which converts the wild in a civilized? And this is agriculture. And this is agriculture. Look, everyone, when we are wild, we are moving the wild, we are moving the like an animal. Why? To get the food. So that's why we are the food gatherer, we are the hunters. When we started the agriculture, okay, so agriculture directly based upon the nature. So when we started the agriculture, we have to live on that place for some period. If we are staying any place, it means we are living there permanently. Now the sense of permanently makes us civilized, and now we are the Homo sapiens. So always remember, agriculture is the term, agriculture is the function which makes us from wild to civilized. Is it clear, everyone? So we have to know in world agriculture pattern which type of agriculture makes us civilized. Do you know what is the type of agriculture? And listen one, this type of agriculture is the most ancient pattern of the world agriculture pattern. The most ancient agriculture pattern, this agriculture, and this makes us civilized from the wild. Okay, everyone? Now, write down the first and the most important agriculture pattern, which is called shifting cultivation. Everyone, make the point. Shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation. Is it clear, everyone? So, it's very important. Shifting cultivation. Write down. Shifting cultivation. Is it clear, everyone? Now, first listen, shifting cultivation is the most ancient agriculture pattern of the human. Is it clear? Write down. It is the most ancient agriculture pattern of the world. It is the most ancient agriculture pattern of the world. Most ancient agriculture pattern of the world. Okay, everyone? It started the permanent life for human. It started the permanent life for human. Permanent life for human. So we can say the permanent settlement starting point is this agriculture. Okay, everyone? This agriculture is the permanent settlement starting point. But right now, please tell me which type of people practice this agriculture. Then what you will say? No, nomadic. No, actually, this type of agriculture is being done or is practiced by the tribal community. Is it clear? But not the tribal. It's primitive tribal. Primitive tribal. Okay, everyone? Now the primitive tribals are still living like that ancient phase. Is it clear, everyone? Write down. This type of agriculture is practiced by primitive tribes. Primitive tribes. This kind of agriculture is practiced by primitive tribes. Okay, always remember. Now, one more thing. If the question is asked that what is primitive society or what is primitive tribe, okay, everyone. If the question is like that, what is primitive society or what is primitive tribe, then you will say, sir, tribal community, such tribal community which social, economical, cultural phase are in primitive stage, are in primitive stage or are in the most ancient stage, in developed stage, then you will say these are the primitive community. Is it clear, everyone? This is the definition of the tribal also. Okay, now listen, everyone. So it is practiced by the primitive society or primitive tribes. Now tell me which kind of area. This is the very important. It is practiced in tropical and subtropical area. Very important. It is practiced in tropical and subtropical area. It is practiced in tropical. It is practiced in tropical. It is practiced in tropical and it is practiced in tropical and subtropical area. It is practiced in tropical and subtropical area. It is practiced in tropical and subtropical area. So always remember the area of the human. Okay, it is practiced in tropical and subtropical area. Tropical and subtropical area. Listen one thing. If the question is asked where is tropical area, then you will say from 0° latitude to, from 0° latitude to 23.5° latitude north and south. Is it clear, everyone? Look, if you see the world map, then look, this is the equator. So when you go towards the north and when you go towards the south, okay, now it is 23.5° north latitude and it is 23.5° south latitude. Okay, so listen, everyone, 0 to 23.5° north and 0 to 23.5° south, both the area is called tropical area. It means in this tropical area. And second, I said subtropical. Look, everyone, tropicals means the hot area. Tropical means the hot area. If I say that subtropical, it means tropical, subtropical is just near the tropical. Okay, but you know already the subtropical proper area is 30 to 35° north and south latitude. You can say, sir, it is also near the tropical area. Okay, so can I can I say it, sir, it's a subtropical area? Definitely, everyone. So always remember subtropical area is just near the tropical area. So you always remember this kind of agriculture is practiced in tropical and subtropical area. Now, if I say the tropical area, it means in the tropical area there is always high temperature. Because the tropical means the hot. Is it clear? So it means there is always high temperature. If the temperature is high, it means the humidity is high. So can I say in this area there is high temperature and also high humidity? Write down, there is high temperature and high humidity. 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 Okay, everyone. Now listen one thing. Now there is high temperature and high humidity. It means the temperature is high and the humidity is high. It means it is also the heavy rainfall area. No doubt. Write down. Rainfall is also high here. 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 Okay, everyone. Now the rainfall is also high here. So now tell me, it is practiced by the primitive tribes. Okay. Now which kind of area is this? Accessible or inaccessible? Look, everyone. If the area is accessible, then mixing of population. Then how we can find that primitive society? So it is just separated by the other area. Is it clear? So always remember this type of agriculture is practiced in dense forest and high mountain area. Write down. It is practiced in high mountain area It is practiced in high mountain area and dense forest area. Always remember, it is practiced in high mountain area and it is practiced in high mountain area and dense forest area. It is practiced in high mountain area and dense forest area. Okay, everyone. So it is practiced in high mountain area and dense forest area. Is it clear? Write down. It is inaccessible area. It is also inaccessible area. It is also inaccessible area. So that's why the primitive people living here. Okay, the primitive humans are living here because they are thus separated from the other part of the world. Okay. Now tell me, if the people of here doing this practice, this agriculture, and they are primitive, okay, so listen how they can find the agriculture field here. First we have to find the agriculture field. If we are not having the agriculture field, then how we can practice the agriculture here? Okay, so now listen everyone, first they go to the forest. Okay, listen one thing, if they are going to the forest, now tell me, the tools are primitive type or modern? Primitive types. Write down, the tools are primitive type and the technique is also primitive. The tools are primitive type. The tools are primitive type and techniques also. Tools are primitive type and technique also. Is it clear everyone? So always remember, tools are primitive type and technique also. Listen, now they go to the forest. Listen everyone, this is very important for you and I will discuss some important questions from this graph. So this graph before you, it's very important. Look, now they went to the forest. Okay, now and check out a piece of land, and they found that on this land there are very trees. Okay, why? Because already I have told you, it is practiced in inaccessible area. It means the dense forest area, high mountain area, the tropical area. Is it clear everyone? Now, so first they have to get a agriculture field. So to have the agriculture field, what we will do? First we will cut the tree. So now they are going to cut the tree. Now cutting is called also slash. Okay everyone, cutting is also called slash. Now they cut all the tree. They cut all the tree. Okay, look, now the tree cutting. If the tree cutting, now the vestige are here. If the tree cutting, only the vestige are here, and then burn the vestige. And then they burn the vestige. So slash and burn. So can I say this agriculture is also called slash and burn agriculture? Write down. This is also called slash and burn agriculture. This is also called slash and burn agriculture. This is also called slash and burn agriculture. Okay, this is also called slash and burn agriculture. Now they slash and burn this and making doing the agriculture here. Okay everyone, but listen one thing, actually peoples are primitive, techniques are primitive, equipment, tools are primitive. Now tell me, what is about the agriculture production? It is high or less? Less, because they don't have any scientific method, so production is not so high. Okay, so can I say production is just according to the people of there? If I am doing this practice, so only 1 kg of 1 kg grain, just consider 1 kg grain. Okay, now 1 kg is sufficient for me. So this is only to eat. It is only to eat, to survive the life. When we are doing agriculture, listen one thing very clearly. When we are doing agriculture for our livelihood, if we are doing agriculture for our livelihood, not for surplus, not for the trade, this is called subsistence agriculture. Is it clear? So this type of agriculture is also called life subsistence agriculture. Write down. this is also called life. This is also called life subsistence agriculture. This is also called life subsistence agriculture. Is it clear, everyone? The concept is very easy. You can understand it. No any problem? Listen. Now, this is also called life subsistence agriculture. It means the production is just for me. Okay. Now, can I say there is no any surplus? Okay. Write down. No surplus production. No surplus production. No surplus production. Okay, everyone. If there is no surplus production, so can I say it is not for the business purpose? Okay, write down. It's not for trade purpose. It's not for trade purpose. Actually, there is no any saving. Okay, it's not for the trade purpose. It's not for the trade purpose. Is it clear, everyone? So it is not for the trade purpose because they are not having such a grain to make a business for it, because it is the life subsistence agriculture. According to the production, it is just my livelihood. Okay, everyone? Now, listen one thing. The very important thing. Okay, everyone, make your concentration high. Look here. As I said you that first they have to cut the tree and get the land. But after 2 or 3 years, the land becomes barren because there is no fertilizer, there is no scientific approach. So land become the barren land. Now what they will do? Now they select the another area. Okay, select the another area, again cut, again search, slash and burn, and get of agriculture land. Okay, doing agriculture after 2 or 3 years, this also became barren land. Now select the another land. Now select the another land. Again another, then come again here. After this rotation, it will take a lot of period, many of years. If it will take many years, then after when you again reach here, now the soil is okay. Again slash and burn, doing agriculture now. Now tell me the very important question. Look the graph. The question was that in which agriculture pattern there is rotation of agriculture land, not crop. There is rotation of agriculture land. Then what will be the answer? Shifting cultivation. In shifting cultivation, there is rotation of agriculture land. Write down, everyone. In this agriculture pattern, there is rotation of agriculture land. In this agriculture pattern, there is rotation of, agriculture land. Always remember, there is rotation of agriculture land. Is it clear? So it is practiced by the primitive society. Okay. Now there is no surplus economy. It is just for life subsistence. Is it clear? So that's why it is being practiced by the primitive humans. So it is very important part of human life. But this kind of agriculture makes you civilized also. It provides the permanent settlement. Is it clear? But right now, tell me, this kind of agriculture in the world being practiced or not? What you will say? Definitely. Right now it is also practiced. But there is a very important question. In the different of the part of the world, this agriculture pattern is known by the different names. Is it clear? And these names are very important. I am going to give you a list. If you remember this list, you can make all the question. Is it clear? Right now, in NCERT book, this is also given. So you have to consider that. Okay. And this is also the based upon the NCERT book. Is it clear, everyone? Write down. This kind of agriculture, it's practiced in different kind of world, different parts of world. This kind of agriculture is practiced in different parts of the world. It's practiced in different parts of the world. different parts of the world, and also known by different names, and also known by different names, and also known by different names, and also known by different names. Is it clear, everyone? Now we have to know what are the areas and what are the name, because you have the concept, you know the everything. Okay, first I'm going to start from India. In India, this is specialized generally in northeast part of India. Okay, it is specialized generally in northeast part of India. Do you know in the northeast what is called? Very important. In the northeast India, it is called jhum cultivation. It is called jhum cultivation. Is it clear, everyone? In the northeast part of India, it is called jhum cultivation. What? Jhum cultivation. In also Rajasthan, if you see in the Aravali area, it is called Walra. It is called Walra. Okay. Even the tribal belt of Bharat, another part like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, even Andhra Pradesh also practiced. Is it clear, everyone? So this is a universal concept in your mind. If you see the tropical and subtropical area, especially the forest, high mountain area, definitely you will say, sir, yeah, definitely here it is practiced. Is it clear, everyone? Now, in India, after India, we are moving to the Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka. Now, what is said in Sri Lanka? Anybody? In Sri Lanka, it is called Chena. In Sri Lanka, it is called Chena. Okay, everyone? In Sri Lanka, it is called Chena. After Sri Lanka, come to Thailand. Thailand. In Thailand, it is called Tam Rai. Tam Rai. In Sri Lanka, it is called Chena. In Thailand, it is called Tam Rai. What? Tam Rai. Now, Philippines. Philippines. In Philippines, it is called Ken Gin. In Philippines, it is called Ken Gin. In Philippines, it is called Ken Gin. Okay? Ken Gin. Now, Malaysia. Malaysia. In Malaysia, it is called Ladang. In Malaysia, it is called Ladang. In Malaysia, it is called Ladang. Next is Indonesia. Indonesia. In Indonesia, it is called Huma. In Indonesia, it is called Huma. In Indonesia, it is called Huma. Now in mid-Africa. Now if you see the mid-Africa, it is called Masole. Very important. Mid-Africa, it is called Masole. Okay. So all this part, the tribal humans are there. Is it clear? And they are practicing such agriculture right now. And it is the most ancient pattern agriculture of the world. Okay. Now, mid-Africa. Then come next, Brazil. I am writing here Brazil. In Brazil, it is called Roca. In Brazil, it is called Roca. Okay. In Brazil, it is called Roca. Good. Now, mid-America. Mid-America. It is called Milpa. In mid-America, it is called Milpa. In mid-America, it is called Milpa. Okay, everyone? In mid-America, it is called Milpa. Now, the Venezuela. In Venezuela, it is called Conuco. In Venezuela, it is called Conuco. In Venezuela, it is called Conuco. Is it clear, everyone? So, always remember, this list is very important. I'm just giving you the list. It is the very important list. And generally, the question is asked for name and the for area. And please match it. Or a single question and in the concept. If the question is based upon the concept, you have all the concepts. You have the area, you have the geographical condition, you have the human also. So this kind of agriculture is practiced by the tribal community. Is this okay, class?